In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon Business Account feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So an Amazon Business Account is designed specifically for companies offering features like multi-user access, spend analytics, tax-exempt purchasing, and quantity discounts. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Amazon Business right over here, and then simply go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you can simply go ahead and click on create a free account right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and proceed to follow all the prompts on the screen in order to go ahead and create an account. I'll tell you a couple of advantages that you can take of the business pricing. As you can see, you unlock several B2B specific purchasing features not found on standard account. So there's quantity discounts. Many items feature tiered based discounts when you purchase in bulk. There's also request for quote. So for high volume single SKU purchases. For high volume single SKU purchases, you can directly negotiate prices with sellers and you can also pay by invoice. So eligible customers can buy now and pay later. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and